morning, dear students. How are you? Here Kamaldeep Kaur in front of you to discuss the topic Number System of Chapter 1 Introduction of Computers.
What is number system? Number system is a writing system for expressing the numbers. We use decimal number system in our daily life, that is 0 to 9. There are 4 types of number system. First one is decimal number system. Its base is 10 and symbols from 0 to 9. Binary number system, its base is 2 and numbers 0 to 1. Usually computer or digital systems understand binary number system. Octal number system, its base is 8 and symbols are from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system, its base is 16 and symbols are from 0 to 9 and A to F. Now we will discuss the conversion of binary to decimal number. First of all, we should know the powers of 2 and its values, as to convert the binary number system from decimal, we have to multiply each number with 2. So here is the values of 2 with its powers. Now we will 1 0 1 0. We have to multiply each number with 2 by increasing its power from right to left. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Now multiplying 0 with 2 power 0, it will be 0. 1 multiplied by 2 power 1, it will be 2. Again with multiplying with 0, it will be 0. And 1 multiplied by 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. And after 8, there is one number, that is 2 power 1. Its value is 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. This is the conversion of binary 1010 into decimal number, that is 10. Now next example, binary number 11011. Again we will write 2 with its increasing power from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the values multiplied by 0 will be 0 and 1 multiplied by 2 power 0. The value of 2 power 0 is 1. So it will be 1. Then 1 multiplied by 2 power 1. The value is 2. 0 multiplied by 2 power 2, 0. 1 multiplied by 2 cube, 2 power 3 is 8. And 1 multiplied by 2 power 4 is 16. Now by adding all this, we will get the decimal number 27. Next number 11000011. Now again we will multiply this number with 2 by increasing its power from right to left. By multiplying 0, we get 0. 1 multiplied by 2 power 0, 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 1, 2. 1 multiplied by 2 power 5, 32. 1 multiplied by 2 power 6, 64. And by adding all this, we will get the decimal number 99. Next example, but with decimal notation, that is 1100.101. After the decimal, the number will decrease, but before the decimal, the number keep on increasing with positive integer, and after decimal point, it keep on increasing, or we can say decreasing by negative sign. So 1 multiplied by 2 cube, 8. 1 multiplied by 2 square, 4. 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 2 power minus 1 will be converted into 1 by 2. 2 power minus 3 will be converted into 1 by 8. And then by adding all this, we will get the answer 12.625. Now the next topic, decimal to binary. We have to follow some rules to convert the decimal to binary number. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. After each division, write the remainder on the right hand side. Arrange the remainder from bottom to top. So 25 divided by 2, we get quotient 12 and remainder 1. 12 divided by 2, 6, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, quotient 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, quotient 1, remainder 1, and again 1 will be written at the bottom. Now to write the binary number, we have to write from bottom to top, and then its base is 2. Now binary addition. Some rules to add the binary numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Now if there are 3 numbers, 1, 1, 1, then its answer will be 11. And 2 ones, the answer will be 10. Now we will discuss some examples. First one, 1010 1001 by adding 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, and 1 plus 1, 10. 0 will be written, 1 will be carry over. That 1 will be written at the answer. So answer will be 10011. Next example, 1001110 with 110101. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 10. 0 will be written and 1 will be carry over. That 1 will be written at the answer. Then again 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 10. So answer is 1011011. Another example, 101101 plus 111101, and we will do the again addition by following the rules. Now we will discuss binary subtraction. Here are some rules. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now, 0 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, we have to take the borrow. And by taking the borrow from 1, in binary subtraction, 0 will become 2, not 10. 0 will become 2 in binary subtraction. So 2 minus 1, 1. Now we will discuss some examples. First one, 100 minus 1. Now by taking the borrows, the first 0 will become 2, and again giving the borrow, it will become 1. And last 0 will become 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 will be written down and 0. So the answer is 11. Second one, 100 minus 11. Again taking borrows, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And again 0. Answer is 1. Some another examples. Have a look. Now we will discuss binary multiplication. It works similar as we do in mathematics. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 1, and again 1 multiplied by 1, 0, 1. And by adding these figures, we will get the answer 1111. Second example, 110 multiplied by 101. And by doing all these calculations, we get the answer 11110. Binary division. Same rule we have to follow as we do in mathematics. Dividend divided by divisor, quotient at top and remainder at bottom. So these are some examples of binary division. Next topic is Window Explorer. Window Explorer is a file manager which helps us in managing, searching and navigating through various applications, files and folders. Now, how to copy and paste from the computer to USB drive. First of all, click on the folder that you want to copy. Then right click on it. Click on the copy. Now go to the USB drive. Double click to open it. Right click to paste.
Thank you, dear students. Have a great day ahead.